Welcome one and all. So it's a relaxation module what we have designed for you because of the distance where you are not able to reach us in a physical format. So this is an online format where we designed for you to follow it. 3 modules I follow in this Amwell Medical Yoga Relaxation Module 1. 3 aspects. One is left nostril breathing. Second one I follow is a unique breathing technique called as 4-4-4 breathing technique. Plus one mudra. Usually I use Shankha mudra. And third component of this module 1 is JPMR, Jacobson's Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique. So this module is a set of relaxation techniques which are proven. JPMR already proven more research activities in this. Left nostril breathing works on your parasympathetic nervous system, and the second module is exclusively designed from the medical yoga perspective for working on the lung volume, stress management, thought dissociation, and to work on a specific disease using a mudra. So we go through this in a short while. In yoga philosophy, we use this aspect of Chandra Nadi and Surya Nadi. So left side of your nose nostril belongs to Chandra Nadi. Right side of your nostril belongs to Surya Nadi. Also Ida and Pingala. So I have made a very interesting correlation. Left side of the nostril, as per yoga philosophy, it is Chandra Nadi. As per Kundalini philosophy, it is Ida. As per medical system, it is a parasympathetic nervous system. As per Chinese philosophy, it is Yin or feminine form, cold. And as per Indian mythological belief, it is Shakti. So left side of your nostril relates with the right brain. Right side of your nostril relates to the left brain. So similarly on the right side it is a Pingala, sympathetic nervous system. Yang is a masculine energy or a heat. Shiva is Indian again, mythological. So we practice left nostril breathing now. Pranayama is one of the greatest science what our rishis have explored, and the latest research shows that bi-nostril breathing can change your autonomic nervous system and metabolic activities. So similarly, as per modern diseases, most of the diseases are non-infectious in origins. We call it as NCDs, non-communicable diseases or non-infectious diseases. So rate of this non-infectious diseases is very high. Non-communicable disease frequencies are very high. So in one way of explanation is right nostril and left nostril, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic activity of this world is very high. So most of the diseases are related to overactivity of sympathetic nervous system. Because of this overactivity of the right nostril or Surya Nadi dominant, I use very frequently left nostril breathing technique. So very simple and very easy to do it. Just hold your index finger, hold your middle finger, turn your finger towards your face. So this is called as Nasika mudra. You can choose to just simply close your right nostril and breathe in and breathe out from the left nostril. You can choose to do this with your closed eyes, or if you don't want to hold this mudra, you can simply close from one side of your right nostril, however you want to do. So this is a stylish version of yogic version. Or normally, if you are sitting in an office space, also you can just simply hold your elbow with one hand, other hand you can close the right nostril and breathing in, breathing out from the left nostril. Deep breathing in, breathing out constitutes one count of Chandra Anuloma Viloma Pranayama or left nostril breathing. So close the right nostril. I did around 5 breaths. Breathing in and breathing out constitute one breath. Likewise, I want you to do 20 counts morning, 20 counts afternoon and 20 counts evening. So this is first practice of this module. We'll slowly go for the second one. I use this Jacobson's Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique, also called as PMR, Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique, or also called as NMR, Neuromuscular Relaxation Technique. Jacobson was a Canadian physician who was very much interested in yoga and who used the pattern of Yoga Nidra and modified according to his medical knowledge and used this as a biorhythm. So he uses the contraction of muscle as a tool to focus it on 5 seconds contraction followed by 5 seconds relaxation. So by this he changes the biorhythm of the body. When certain group of muscles are relaxing, all the related group of muscles will get relaxed. So this is a pattern where first there is a contraction of forearm muscles, hold for 5 seconds, followed by relax for 5 seconds. Then followed by biceps and triceps, hold for 5 seconds, relax for 5 seconds. Then it comes the shoulders, bring your shoulders towards your ear and trapezius muscles, contract and relax. 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is your forehead muscles, raise your eyebrows up for 5 seconds and relax. Fifth one is your eyes, you are squeezing your eyes for 5 seconds and relaxing for 5 seconds. Similarly, this continues 5 seconds contraction, 5 seconds relaxation continues. From eyes to the temporomandibular joint, you are opening the jaw wide open, holding for 5 seconds, contract followed by relax. Mouth, you are making your mouth in the form of O, holding it for about 5 seconds and then relaxing. Next one, 8th one is your tongue. You are rolling your tongue upwards, holding it for 5 seconds and then relaxing. Next one is your neck, platysma muscles. You are pulling your neck muscles up or extending your neck backwards, holding for 5 seconds and then relaxing. Next one is your chest. You breathe in and hold your breath for 5 seconds and then you relax. So throughout this practice, focus your awareness on the contraction and relaxation, tension and the relaxation. And 11th one is your abdominal muscles. Hold your abdominal muscles tight for about 5 seconds and then relax. 12th one is your buttocks and thighs. You are squeezing the buttocks and holding the thigh muscles as tight as possible for 5 seconds. Contract followed by relaxation. Last one is below knee till the tip of your toes. You are contracting calf muscles and other group of muscles of your leg. Holding it for 5 seconds contracted and followed by 5 seconds relaxed. So let us practice this, and I want you to practice this every day night before you sleep for about 1 month, because 1 month is the time to create a new habit in your subconscious mind, and this will create a habit of relaxation deep down into your subconscious mind. So this relaxation can change the hormones like dopamine, serotonin, endorphin and enkephalin, and also it triggers a series of response of a biorhythm changes. If your skeletal muscles are relaxing willingly, the number of episodes of neck pain, back pain, knee pain can be reduced. So read about JPMR, and we use this JPMR as a basic founding relaxation technique. On this relaxation techniques, we add yogic hypno relaxation technique, a specially designed technique for each disease. So that is the specialty what we add with. And we add a sankalpa, auto-suggestion or neuro-linguistic programming or cognitive restructuring of your mind based on this particular platform. It also can be changed into Yoga Nidra practice of basic, intermediate, advanced, or it can be done with hypnotherapy for a specific ailment, either from the mind and from the body. So I wish you to practice this JPMR and let me know the result. Very slowly and gently shift your awareness towards the source of the music. The tone of the music has changed. You are hearing two sounds, one external traffic, second the source of music. Just to block the external sound as much as possible, I put the music sound little louder. Mentally discriminate the sound of the traffic and the sound of the music. Shift your awareness towards the music. Shift your awareness towards your breathing. With the flow of the music, you are breathing in gently and breathing out. Breathe in and breathe out. With each breathing in, you relax all the skeletal muscles of your body. With each breathe out, you let go of the stresses and tensions in your body. Very slowly, you feel that you are starting to relax. So we get ready mentally for undergoing progressive muscular relaxation technique. From your inner awareness behind your closed eyes, shift your awareness towards your forearm and the wrist. Make a fist of your hand. Hold your forearm muscles as tight as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very slowly and gently let go. Feel the feeling of relaxation. Awareness of tension followed by feeling of relaxation. Very slowly shift your attention towards your biceps. Flex your biceps, both the hands like this. You can see. Flex full tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Bring your hands back to the original position. Feel the awareness of relaxation. Shift your awareness towards your shoulders. Bring your shoulders near to your ears. Yes, very good. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. You are setting your body into the rhythm of contraction followed by relaxation. Slowly shift your awareness towards your forehead. Raise your eyebrows up as if you are looking up. Hold your frontal forehead muscles just like that, static. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Feel the relaxation around your forehead muscles. Shift your awareness towards your eyeballs. Squeeze your eyeballs and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release. Let go. Feel the letting go effect around your eyeballs. Very slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your mouth. Make your mouth in the form of O. Stretch your mouth muscles. Hold it in that position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Even though in the middle of traffic sound, still you are able to defocus the traffic sound and focus onto your own body and awareness is a great achievement in itself. So very slowly shift your attention towards your tongue. Roll your tongue upwards within your mouth cavity. Feel the tension of the tongue and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Very slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your neck muscles. Pull your neck muscles or extend your head backwards so that you can feel the stretching of your neck. Then hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very slowly shift your awareness towards your chest. We are going to take a deep breath in and hold our breath. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Feel the tension followed by relaxation at your chest area. Very slowly shift your awareness towards your abdomen. Keep your both hands on your tummy. Contract your abdominal muscles or hold it tight. Press your hands onto the abdomen, stomach area. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Bring your hands back to the normal position. Very slowly shift your awareness towards your buttocks and thighs. Squeeze your buttocks in your lying down posture and contract your quadriceps, thighs, and hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Relax your quadriceps. Relax your buttocks. Very slowly, shift your awareness towards your knee till the tip of your toes, last part of your body, 13th part of your body. Point your toes downwards, contract your calf muscles, pull up your kneecap, hold this tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. You're done with this, and now you can really relax without much efforts, keeping your eyes closed. Shift your complete awareness onto your toes. At the back of your mind, you feel or you tell it to your subconscious mind that my toes are relaxed. This is a game of your awareness, enhanced awareness. With your own awareness, you are relaxing all the parts of your body, especially skeletal muscles. Feel your ankles are relaxed. Very slowly and gently, feel that your calf muscles are relaxed. Your kneecaps are relaxed. Slowly, the wave of relaxation is passing from the tip of your toes towards upper body and making every part of the skeletal muscles get relaxed deeply. Focus your awareness on your thighs and buttocks. From the back of your mind, feel and tell that your thighs are relaxed, buttocks are relaxed. Very slowly, shift your awareness towards your abdomen. Feel your abdominal muscles are relaxed. Going a little deeper, visualize and imagine that all of your internal organs of your abdomen are in a relaxed state. Relaxed state means they are getting better blood supply. They are into the relaxation. When they are into the relaxation, there is a repair and a rejuvenation. So feel, if somebody is having stomach issues, feel that your stomach acidity is reducing. Somebody is a diabetic, you can feel that my pancreas is producing sufficient insulin, and this insulin is sensitive enough to send the glucose into the cells. So to that specific detailed physiologically, you can train your subconscious mind to follow it. If somebody is having back pain, they can say that my back muscles are deeply relaxed and any knots are unlocking, any spasm is getting cleared, any tightness you are feeling is soothed because you are into deep relaxation awareness, much more deeper than normal state of parasympathetic relaxation. Very slowly, shift your awareness towards your chest. shoulder, how beautifully lungs and heart work in sync with each other. So much of efforts to pump the blood and oxygen to each and every part of your body. It's a beautiful miracle of the nature or God, whatever you call. If you need to create such a marvelous structure of your lungs and heart, it will make a lot of sound and it needs a huge structure, heart lung machine, something like that. But still, it will not be so compact, so natural, so effortless and so easy as that of the nature's wonder, your own lungs and heart. So be thankful to those pair of lungs and your heart. With the synchrony with which they work, let my mind and body get synchronized and my work and efficiency will increase multifold. With this sankalpa, move towards your shoulders, your upper extremity, arm, forearm, wrist, hands are getting relaxed. Your neck muscles are getting relaxed. Your facial muscles are getting deeply relaxed. From the deep down, you feel as if you are into a dream-like state, or you are into a state where you are listening to the sound of my voice and the music, but still you feel your body is asleep, similar to deep sleep state. This is a state of a psychic sleep. During this phase, the conscious mind is very less and subconscious mind is opening up. So this is a time where you put a thought in the form of a seed of a thought deep down into the subconscious mind. So whatever is your wish and will for your career, body, mind, whatever you feel like, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you dreamed of, you make a small affirmation, sankalpa, positive statement of your own body, mind complex, whichever needed for you. Like, I want to become very good yoga teacher, maybe. I want to recover my health. So anything it is, make this a small positive affirmation and send it deep down into the subconscious mind or deeper part of your mind by repeating this small positive affirmation 5 times. So this is a simple experience of progressive muscular relaxation technique with Sankalpa training or with auto suggestion. Possibly using the platform of Yoga Nidra to achieve and explore the deeper essence of subconscious mind, the unlimited powers of subconscious mind, the deeper alpha and theta brainwave frequencies, where your body goes to a very different state of relaxation which you cannot express from verbal experience. So this is a state of mind which is deeper than normal mind, normal conscious mind, and this state of mind is much more deeper and profound than sleep. Sleep you are not awake. In this you are aware and awake and still listening to the sound of my voice. You're slowly coming back to the body consciousness. If it was a night where you could set an alarm for your mobile to switch off on its own, and then you could sleep off from here now. If not, you can come back to a body consciousness. Slowly and gently move your toes a bit, move your fingertips. Take one deep breath in, gentle breathing out. Very slowly stretch your hands up, stretch yourself, stretch your legs, no problem, however you wish to. You're getting alert and awake completely. Fold at your left leg or right leg, whichever you feel comfortable. Turn on to the one side of your body, taking support of both the palms as you know it already. Maintaining this relaxed awareness without opening your eyes, very slowly and gently come to sitting position. Keeping your eyes closed, be aware of the surroundings. Gently rub your hands towards each other. Massage onto your forehead, cheek, chin, front of your ear, back of your ear, neck muscles. Gently massage your hands one more time. Keep it on the area of the focus. If it is a pancreas, keep it on your tummy. If it is a low back pain, keep it on your back. If it is a knee pain, keep it on your knees. If it is on your fractured leg, keep it on that particular ankle. So with this complete awareness, very slowly and gently, you open your eyes with few blinks to the new world of relaxed awareness. When you're coming back to a complete consciousness, look around without any speech for next 40 seconds. How do you feel? What colors you experience is much more bright and beautiful because your awareness has expanded. I'm going to on the light slowly.